You not gonna see you.
So what's good, J-Ham fans? It's your boy J-Ham coming back at y'all with another video. I know I haven't talked to y'all probably about over a month, I'm gonna say. And I know I've been saying this a lot, but it's the truth. You can't fight life. You're gonna have obstacles all the time. And with this obstacle right here, this is something on a whole nother level. I'll be able to touch bases on that once the situation calms down. But the same day that this truck is supposed to get to 5-3 is the same day that the situation happened to me and my family. So we gonna get past that. We gonna talk about this. I know I've been saying I'm gonna put the motor in, put the motor in, put the motor in. I know y'all been waiting. People been asking. But like I say, life hits you with obstacles that you just can't face, you know, and you can't, push to the side. So with that being said, I'm still coming, I'm still trying, but we're gonna go over some parts that I got for this truck so far. Don't mind the dog barking. It ain't my dog. But got some new tail lights for that thing. These came from eBay. Got some tail lights for it. Got some new shocks. Front and back shocks. I don't want to put it on the camera, y'all. Got the front and back shocks. Hold on. But yeah, man, everything been going good. It's just, I don't know. I'm a firm believer in God. Like I said, he be testing you to see how strong your faith is. And with this situation right here, I totally believe that. Yes, we got front and backs for the Sonoma, so we can ride pretty smooth. We got the I should have checked all these packages. Matter of fact, too, I ordered a cow hood, a 2-inch hood scoop. And also a grill to go on here. I had to send them back literally just now. The dude, he ain't even pulled off yet because the hood had multiple cracks in it. Not cracks, but multiple dents. I'll put the pictures in the video, and I put a video of the hood also in the video. So right now, we just got one of the last parts. The hood and the grill, but it's messed up as y'all can see. But I did get a 2-inch cow hood, 2.5 inch, however tall it is, but it's a little hood scoop. But this is the results of it. It was shipped, obviously, but they had to deliver it through the little freight, and this is how it came. That's a dent. That's a dent. Here's another dent up here. The hood just looks terrible, and this hood was 300 bucks. So with that being said, it has to go back, and I can get another one. I can't.
You gonna refuse it or just wanna take the picture?
Nah, I don't know how it's gonna work. I can just refuse it. They can just take it back. Can't give $300 for some stuff.
So you can't claim process. You don't even know how to process it.
Right. But that's the hood. I mean, that's the hood right here. But this is the grill. Let me go ahead and inspect that, and then so we refused the package, y'all. Sad day in America. And the grill had cracks in it. I know this can't be the Jeep. It is. This the Jeep steering shaft right here. Jeep steering shaft. So we got that. Hold on, y'all.
Sorry if it's shaky, but
Right. Sorry if you're shaking shit like she can't be still.
cause I'm standing up, my legs hurt.
Hey, who?
My legs hurt.
Your legs hurt. That makes you shaky. That's a first. Never heard that one, y'all. Don't mind my assistant. I'm a doctor pay.
No, mommy, because what? I'm almost 40 weeks pregnant.
Woo! Y'all, this the cross member. If you guys don't know, this is the cross member for the 4060 transmission. Going with the 460. Y'all know I was going with the 350 at first, but now I'm going with the 4060. So only thing I got to get now is what am I? So he leaving. Y'all see him leaving? Sad day in America. But check this. So only thing I got to get now, I got to get the wiring harness, I got to get a stall converter, and I got to get the transmission. Once I get those three things, and also another grill and a hood. Only reason why I'm gonna get another grill and a hood because I don't have time to be dealing with them. I'm gonna go ahead and get this truck running. I wanna have this truck running by no later by the middle of next month, the end of the next month. I wanna have this truck running. I wanna be in the streets. So with that being said, gotta move forward. And then right here, we're gonna move on to this part. For the Sonoma, so we won't have none of that. We won't be doing none of that, so trying to squat and go. We got those. I ain't even sure if they're good, huh? Here we go right here. Alright, so we got that. I got some more parts, but they at mom's house. I got some headlights at mom's house. I came to the house and it was in the mailbox, so I just grabbed them and left. So they sitting at mom's house in the room. But other than that, that's what's going on right now. The truck still is in motion. I'm still trying to get it done. Y'all bear with me. Thank y'all for the new subscribers. I know I haven't been posting, but like I said, life hit my family and me in a major way. We still trying to shake back. So it's y'all just bear with me. Like I said, this is not no BS. I'm telling y'all some real stuff. But other than that, I want to thank everybody who's been reaching out, trying to check on me and everything. I don't have no social medias right now. Only thing I have is Snapchat. That's the only social media I'm on right now. So I thank y'all for still, rocking with your boy. I'm still coming, still trying to make things happen for this truck. Other than that, first, my boy LS Mannie gonna put it together. He put the 5.3 together. Everything that's LS bags that I got, he will be putting it together. The simple as that. I'm gonna put his YouTube down in the description below because he just started his YouTube channel up. He's gonna get it rocking and going. So with that being said, y'all stay tuned. Like I said, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for believing me. By next month, this truck should be running. Get it, your boy. Boom. I forgot to add this right here. This the front bumper. And I'm also getting a roll pan. Cause I don't want this on there no more. I'm getting a roll pan. It's gonna be sleep. But yeah, this ugly thing gonna be moving. I was gonna get it painted. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Comment down below, please. Should I get this truck painted? Or should I just put that motor in there and let it ride out? That's all I wanna know. Should I get it painted? If I paint it, I'm gonna paint it back white with the little cow induction hood. Or should I just put the motor in there and the little parts that go with it and call it a day? Y'all let me know, talk to me. So as y'all can see, I forgot to add, look at J Ham Jr. That boy be here this Monday, y'all. He'll be here this Monday. Just have to put that out there, y'all. He been doing good. This joker right here, 8 pounds and 4 ounces, so he'll be here soon.